HCD TV, from the publishers of Healthcare Design, providing expert insight into the design, architecture, and engineering of healthcare environments. Online, in print, and in person. HCD TV.
Hello, we're here today at the Healthcare Design Conference 2011. We're with Sheila Conman, who is the Group VP Regional Healthcare Leader for HOK Chicago.
I've been in the healthcare industry for 30 years. I'm the leader of the healthcare practice in Chicago for HOK, and if you're not familiar, HOK is one of the largest architectural and engineering firms in the world. We are usually in the top 5 as far as healthcare in the ratings, and HOK has about 1,800 employees, so we've really got international coverage. We have a very large practice in the North Central region, and I'm one of the leaders of that practice.
Wonderful. And you are also with the Healthcare Design Editorial Advisory Board?
Right. I joined the editorial board a couple years ago, and it's been a great honor to be involved with the magazine. I've been a contributor to the magazine for about 10 years now, so I've really enjoyed that. Well, one of the things that I really like about the conference is that it's very diverse. There's a real richness of activities and speeches, speakers, a full variety from owners to architects to interior designers and medical planners. And I think one of the things I've been most interested in is technology and the changes that we're seeing. And I've been going to a lot of the seminars regarding what the future of healthcare is and how technology is going to inform that.
Great. Speaking about the future of the industry, there's a lot of changes going on, government policy, aging populations, new technologies. Where do you see it going? What do you see happening in the next 5 years or so?
Wow, well, that's a good question, because we're obviously in a real situation now, a flexible situation given what's happening on the federal front with Obamacare and sort of a whole consolidation in the industry. Right now in Chicago, we've got about 8 different consolidations and acquisitions happening among healthcare systems, and what that's done is really driven a process now of leaning for our clients, so that they're going in this consolidation, pulling together their resources and looking how they can do things more efficiently, especially in the operational side. So a lot of what we're doing right now is looking at master planning for them and really coming up with a game plan so they know how to move forward, no matter how the actual reimbursement happens. So that's been a lot of what we've been doing over the past few years, and then coming up with justifications now for large projects, because what's happened is that CEOs who used to have a lot of control over their budgets are now becoming parts of systems where they have to go in and justify every single dollar that they're doing. So because of that, we have to build those justifications for our clients. So we're looking a lot at metrics, a lot at outcomes. And then, so a lot of what we've been looking at the conference is other projects and what kind of metrics and outcomes that come out of those projects, as well as HOK has presented at several different seminars too, so that's been exciting. I think the magazine's been very good at reflecting what the current market conditions are. It's nice to have that balance between design and planning, and then what is of interest to clients also. So I think we'll be continuing to do that kind of balance. But I know I'm interested in seeing very fact-based, outcome-based articles. Obviously we're not a research journal, but we can certainly put research out to the different architects and designers in a fashion that can be easily understood and easily then communicated to our clients.
Earlier you touched on the concept of consolidation in the industry and how that's changing things. Did you want to elaborate a little bit on that?
Well, I mean, I think that our clients are just very stressed right now. I mean, they're dealing with a lot of the same stresses, and our industry is also consolidating, as you've seen by a lot of different acquisitions and consolidations that have happened amongst architects and engineering firms. So I think the main thing is that we have to really listen to our clients and sort of breathe the air they breathe. because that's what we do, and that's how we respond to them and give them the best designs that we can. So I think it's not a great air to breathe right at the moment, but we're all going to come through this together.
Yes.
So that's the idea, and I think the fact that we all get together and learn about how we can team together. One of the great things about the conference is seeing all your friends, seeing all your colleagues, and really being able to to look at ways that we can work together to get out of this quagmire we're in right now. I mean, I've been through several recessions. This is the worst recession, but I've been through several. We're going to rebound. We're going to get out of this. Healthcare is going to be a vibrant economy to work in. It's something that I've been passionate about. I think we need to keep pushing forward agendas of patient experience, and make sure that that's not lost in the whole economic and leaning of the process, to make sure that these facilities are really the best place for healing and caring. So I think that's something that I want to keep carrying forward even during all this recessionary times.
Yeah, I agree. We'll make it through. So
yeah.
We're all counting on it.
HCD TV, from the publishers of Healthcare Design, providing expert insight into the design, architecture, and engineering of healthcare environments. Online, in print, and in person. HCD TV.